Hello guys and gals, welcome to one of How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. If you guys like to see other tutorials, helpful tips and tricks, go ahead and check out that playlist in the description below. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to insert and eject a SD memory card and a SIM card on the Note 8. So just to start off, what I'd like to do is power the device off by hitting the power button once to activate the screen and pressing it the second time and holding it, and you get the power off option. Click that and then press it again, and at that point it should start powering down your device. So the next thing we're going to want to do is go ahead and locate your SIM eject tool. It should be located in your box. If you do not have a box, it should, anything like a paper clip, a needle, anything sharp and somewhat sturdy material that will fit in the hole up on the top here. So next we're going to go ahead and locate that hole, that SIM tray, and then there's the hole right there. So you can see the outline of the SIM tray with the hole. Take your SIM eject tool and press it in that hole, apply some pressure, you will see it did pop out. Once that is free, you can go ahead and pull that out and insert your SD memory card. And that slides into the top one and it just sits there right on top. So just like that, that's in there. And the next is your SIM card, and that goes down in the lower portion. And there are ways to install it. As you guys can see, that the SD memory card will only fit in there one way. So that outline is there. And then this SIM card, same thing. There's a little cut, little angled, beveled portion of that SIM card that lines up with the beveled part on the SIM tray. So once you have that, everything installed, whatever you're installing, if it's the SIM card or the SD memory card, once you have them on the tray, then you can go ahead and move on by installing that back into the device. And just like that, it is now on and it's in there. At this point, you can power on your device, activate it, get it started, get it going. It will read it and it should be fine. And then as far as ejecting it, removing it, same thing. Power off your device, get your SIM eject tool, find that SIM eject tray, find a little hole, go ahead and eject it, and you can go ahead and pull it out. Just be very careful with this tray. It is a weaker bit of plastic, so be careful not to break it. There's also a water seal right up here towards the top. You don't want to damage that. But then once again, once you're done with that, go ahead and slide it in and just press it, give it a little bit of pressure, and it should slide in and be nice and flush. So that is how you install and eject a SD memory card and a SIM card on a Samsung Galaxy Note 8. If you guys found this video helpful, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. If you know somebody who might be struggling with this, go ahead and share this with them. Let them know how it is done. And if you guys like to check out other tutorials, go ahead, check out that playlist in the description below. If you guys have any kind of comments, questions, concerns, go ahead, drop those in the comment section below. If you guys have any kind of feedback, I welcome hearing it. Put that in the comment section below as well. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day.